Welcome to our channel and thank you for saying yes to your well-being. We are the NHS Talk Wandsworth Wellbeing Team. We are an IAPT service, which means we hope to reduce the stigma surrounding mental health and make psychological therapies easily accessible to the community. In this wellbeing clip, we are going to learn about rumination. It may be helpful to have a pen and paper ready to take some notes. Rumination consists of obsessional thinking about negative experiences. Rumination is an easy mode to slip into when we are stressed. We become stressed due to the simple desire to solve problems that we are facing. Sometimes we may start obsessing about these things because we feel they are too important to ignore. Or we may obsess about situations in the past that we regret or feel angry about. We may wish we had handled our demands or situations differently. This process of rumination is also known by terms such as worrying too much, overthinking, obsessing, turning a problem over and over in our minds, or churning over emotional upsets. However, thinking or analysing doesn't always mean we are ruminating. The main difference between constructive thinking and ruminating is that rumination is not problem solving and it doesn't lead to any changes in our lives. On the contrary, rumination often exacerbates our low mood, stress, anxiety, and sleep difficulties. First, how can we recognise rumination? We can use the 2-minute rule if we are unsure about whether we are ruminating or solving the problem. We can indulge our thoughts for 2 minutes and then stop and ask ourselves, have I made any progress towards solving the problem? Do I understand something about the problem or my feelings about it that I haven't understood before? Do I feel less stressed or self-critical than before I started thinking about this? If the answer to any of these questions is no, then it is likely that we are ruminating. The better we become at recognizing we are ruminating, the easier it will be to prevent it from getting out of control. Next, let's think about some ways to stop ruminating. Let's try to observe and label our ruminating thoughts. Change the why to a how way of thinking, as the how is more problem-solving oriented and allows you to take action and hold yourself accountable. Furthermore, we can also distract ourselves by talking to a friend, going out for a walk, or listening to music. And finally, we can also challenge our thoughts. Always remember that we are all unique individuals and some strategies may work well for us but not for others. When you are ruminating, try to implement these strategies and see which one is more helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like, subscribe and check out our other videos.